This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Toyota RAV4 Bluetooth. First, make sure your RAV4 is safely in park with the engine running. Then, locate the Setup button on your car's infotainment system. Press this button to access the main settings menu. From there, you'll want to select the Bluetooth option to start the pairing process. This prepares your vehicle to find and connect with your mobile device. Now, grab your mobile phone and open its settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option and make sure it's turned on. Back in your RAV4, select Add New Device or Pair Device on the screen. Your car will then become discoverable. On your phone, you should see your RAV4 appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on your RAV4 name to initiate the connection. Once you've selected your RAV4 on your phone, a passkey will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Double-check that these numbers match exactly. If they do, confirm the pairing on both devices to finalize the connection. You'll receive a confirmation message, and your phone will now be successfully connected to your Toyota RAV4 for hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the RAV4 infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable mode and has sufficient battery life. Sometimes, deleting previous pairings on both devices and starting fresh can help. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.